In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disconnect Dropbox from your computer. Whether you're looking to free up some space, enhance your privacy, or just reset your sync settings, disconnecting Dropbox is a straightforward process. And in the next few minutes, we'll walk through each step together to ensure you can do this easily without any hiccup. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. Once you land on the homepage, you should log in with your Dropbox account credentials. This is crucial because the steps we are going to follow require you to be logged into your account. After logging in, you'll notice your account's interface. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left of the screen where you'll see your profile avatar. Clicking on this avatar will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What we want here is the Settings option. Go ahead and click on Settings from this menu. Once you've entered the settings page, navigate to the tab labeled Security. Clicking on Security will bring up a new list of items related to your account's security settings. This section is where most of your account management options are handled, including the one for managing devices connected to your Dropbox account. Now that you're in the Security section, scroll down until you find the Devices section. Here, Dropbox lists all the devices that are linked to your account. Carefully scan through the list and look for your computer's name. It's important to ensure that you're selecting the correct device so you don't inadvertently disconnect another computer or device. Once you've found your computer in the list, look to the right of the device name and find the trash can icon. Clicking this icon is the key to beginning the unlinking process. When you click the trash can icon, Dropbox will prompt you with a dialog box that asks for confirmation. This message will inform you that you're about to unlink your computer from your Dropbox account. At this point, carefully review the message to make sure you're comfortable disconnecting your computer. If everything looks right, proceed by clicking on the Unlink button. This action is the final step to successfully disconnect your computer from Dropbox. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now disconnected Dropbox from your computer. Remember, if you need to reconnect in the future, it will be as simple as downloading the Dropbox application and logging back into your account. Hopefully this guide has been easy to follow and now you feel confident managing your Dropbox connections. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.